I'm Nina. This is Fraser. We're two people that met, fell in love, and decided adventuring was our favorite thing to do. Along the way, we added 4 kids to the squad. Anaya, Rain, Zahira, and Kiona. Subscribe and join us as we explore our home planet together.
It's Saturday, which means we are back at projects at our house. We're doing a bigger project today because I wanted Fraser's help with it, and it's a little hard to do projects like this, being the only parent at home and the only worker. So today we are taking out this wall, or these walls, to expand the doorway to this closet. We are moving back into the master bedroom that has been our gym for the past year, with Corona and plans changing. It's making lemons out of lemonade or something. Got him!
Fiona, good job. What were you doing?
I painting.
Nice. Are you a pro?
Yeah.
I don't know about making that 1 hour cutoff, but we got on 2 coats of paint in the same day. That feels like a win, people. The closet that we're getting the wood from is in the laundry room, as presented here. And I'm gonna clean it out and then try to take off the baseboards and pop the guys out. We'll see. Am I the only one that does not like getting in storage closets? It's just like the spiders and the cobwebs, and then you don't know if you're gonna run into something like a snake or not. Ugh, gross. Also, I think I have PTSD because I was cleaning out an attic in one of the houses as a kid, and I went to lift up a stack of collapsed boxes, and a giant snake, all coiled up, fell out of the collapsed boxes, hissed at me, and it was in between me and the door. So I straight up like pole vaulted over that dude and darted out of the house. Probably the most like gold medal moment of my life as far as athleticism goes. All right, so here's the floors we're taking out. Just a little quick tip. Cut the caulk off of all of the edges before you try to take anything apart. Otherwise, that caulk is gonna rip the sheetrock right off. This is the worst knife. We do not have an X-Acto knife right now. Don't ask me why. Hey ZZ, where are you guys gonna go on your trip? That sounds so fun. Baby. Come out in one piece. Woo! Alright, so this is not the best way to go about this, people. I'm not a professional constructor. Also, this is not professional lighting. good. I gotta shout out to my girls. They are just playing upstairs so great and being awesome while I do this project. So I just got 5 planks out of the other closet, and as you can see, they're the exact same board, which is huge. The challenge is I'm gonna have to mallet it in and then just glue it. Like this, like that. That's my all-time favorite person, Tabitha Brown would say. I got the planks out beautifully, like way better than I thought, and it's because the glue sucked and the house is old. But it worked in my favor. And look, babe, I need to make some cuts, and then basically we're good. Just glue them down. I kind of can't believe my plan works.
Not surprised. And I'm really proud of you. I'm in traffic.
All right, it is time to do the floors. So, I did cut the end bigger than I wanted, so I'm gonna have to be really careful. All right, here it goes. Let's do this. Now what I need to do is get something pretty heavy to put on this guy because it wants to bubble. But it's in, holes are filled. Now we'll do baseboards and quarter round. What are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make a shelf just like Mommy.
Hey guys, it's 6:30 and Nina and I woke up about 30 minutes ago. She's already putting together the closet. I've got coffee.
Fraser took the kids to school. I am gonna go ahead and keep going on this shelf. The little girls are miraculously kind of still sleeping, so I'm just gonna let them take their time getting up slowly on this rainy day.
Hey guys, so we are going to finish up putting this whole room together. It used to be a gym, so we have like all of our workout gear right here. I think we're gonna kind of keep it over in the corner.
Turns out we need some space.
Yeah, we're taking our lives back. Take back 2020, we're doing this, guys.
getting out of this one.
Okay, let's put the bed down there.
Thanks for watching the video. There will be something new every Wednesday. Remember, like and subscribe.
What are you gonna say, Kiana?
What and a coin.
What in the cream, y'all?
We're getting good today.